paints the morning gold. The moon still whispers overhead. Low tide tells its quiet story, while hope awakens with each step. Take more pictures, let things go. Love deeply, notice the little moments. Dream big, choose peace. Life is too short for anything else. And here come the birds, here come the wings, a sky full of joy that my heart always brings. I hold out my hands and trust fills the air. Every morning reminds me that love is there.
Sheesh, you're like an nasty honey girl.
Honey girl finds me from behind, just like always. The railing fills with sweet little faces. Clouds drift across the glowing sun, soft and mysterious above. And when they all fly into my waiting hands, I remember trust is built one beautiful morning at a time.
Careful.
I'm so grateful